Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tavde from Gossipfunda. There have been numerous documentations and videos on the rise of robots to try and show people how the world might look in the future. But we are significantly closer to knowing with the rise of artificial intelligence, especially generative AI. Simply put, generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence. It is a type of machine learning in which computers can generate original and new content in response to user prompts. Perhaps we have heard more about OpenAI and their new product ChatGPT in the recent past. So, let's take a look at what ChatGPT is. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a new OpenAI chat product. GPT is a chat box designed to help with customer support conversations and information gathering tasks. It uses natural language processing and GPT technology to generate responses that are tailored to the user's input. ChatGPT can handle a wide range of queries and provide real-time responses. What is ChatGPT trained on? The model can be fine-tuned for specific tasks or domains, allowing it to excel in variety of applications. Because of its adaptability, it is a valuable tool for developers and researchers who are working on NLP projects. ChatGPT is an exciting advancement in the field of AI and natural language processing because of its ability to generate human like responses and adapt to the different tasks and domains. How does it help you? ChatGPT has the ability to provide personalized recommendations and advice based on your preferences. ChatGPT, as you can see, can make your life much easier by automating hundreds of tasks and providing helpful advice. How does ChatGPT work? You simply have to open any browser and type in https://chat.openai.com. This will take you to the browser page of ChatGPT where you have to log in with your OpenAI account to continue. That is, you can either sign up or log in. So, since I have already made an account, I will be logging in to the website. After this, it will take you to the main page or the home page of the ChatGPT. Over here, you can see the light mode and the dark mode, which you can use according to your preference. Now, you have to enter the question for which you are searching an answer at the chat box below. After entering the question and clicking on the arrow, ChatGPT takes a few minutes to load an answer for it. You can ask ChatGPT any kind of question, be it to write an essay on a topic or any formula that you have a doubt in. You can ask innumerous questions and all the kinds of questions in ChatGPT. Later on, after completing one conversation, you can also start up a new thread. Starting a new thread makes a new and a fresh conversation. Again, you can ask any type of questions and wait for ChatGPT to provide you with an answer. Now, over here, there's a thumbs up and a thumbs down option provided by ChatGPT to rate the answer and provide them with a feedback. So, using ChatGPT is really very simple and very helpful for us. Let's look into some tips and tricks for using ChatGPT. Thank you for watching the video. Hope that it has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to Gossipfunda. Do not forget to put your query in the comment section below.